AI agency making OnlyFans stars into mini Kim Kardashians. Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining today's video. Today, we're diving into a fascinating new trend that blends technology, fame, and personal branding in ways we've never seen before. It's the rise of AI agencies that are transforming content creators into highly marketable personalities, some even calling them mini Kim Kardashians. For years, Kim Kardashian has been a symbol of how to turn visibility into influence, and influence into a powerful business empire. From reality TV to fashion and beauty lines, she mastered the art of using her public image as the foundation for success. Now, artificial intelligence is being used to replicate that very model for everyday creators, especially those on platforms like OnlyFans who are hoping to expand their reach and establish themselves as brands. So, how does this work? These AI-focused agencies are not simply management teams. They are powered by advanced technology that studies the habits, strategies, and styles of celebrities like Kim. The systems analyze posting schedules, tone of captions, aesthetics of photos, engagement data, and even trends in fashion and culture. With this, the agencies create a kind of roadmap for creators to follow, helping them build their online presence with the same consistency and polish that's usually reserved for A-list stars. But the technology goes beyond just strategy. AI is now able to help creators generate captions, edit photos for professional-level quality, recommend outfits, and even design entire posting calendars optimized for maximum engagement. Some agencies are even experimenting with predictive AI that tells creators what kind of content will likely go viral before they even post it. In other words, they're trying to remove the guesswork and give creators a near-ready formula for success. The end result is a new type of star, an influencer whose image is carefully shaped and managed with the help of AI tools, designed to look and feel like the icons people already admire. And since Kim Kardashian is often seen as the ultimate blueprint for modern fame, many of these creators are being styled, guided, and trained to mirror her approach. This doesn't mean copying her exactly, but it does mean capturing her essence, glamorous yet relatable, trendy but timeless, polished while still maintaining a sense of connection with fans. The agencies call this creating personal brands that scale, meaning these influencers aren't just building audiences, they're building businesses that can attract sponsorships, partnerships, and mainstream recognition. Of course, this raises some big questions. Some experts worry that too much reliance on AI could lead to a loss of authenticity. If multiple creators are following the same algorithm-driven blueprint, audiences might begin to feel like they're seeing the same person over and over again. Others argue that this is simply the evolution of entertainment, that just like Hollywood perfected the formula for movie stars, AI is now doing the same for digital stars. Supporters believe this technology levels the playing field. In the past, only celebrities with major publicists and media connections could gain massive visibility. Today, an independent creator can access AI-driven branding that gives them a chance to compete with top influencers. It's not about replacing individuality, they say, but about enhancing a creator's potential and giving them the tools to shine. We also have to look at the cultural influence here. Kim Kardashian has been more than just a celebrity. She has defined beauty standards, fashion trends, and even business models. By shaping creators into mini Kardashians, AI agencies are essentially trying to mass-produce the formula of influence. For some, this is exciting. For others, it feels like fame is becoming something that can be engineered rather than earned. What's undeniable is that we're entering a new era where AI isn't just behind the scenes. It's directly shaping how people present themselves to the world. From photo enhancements to personality coaching, and from audience analytics to trend predictions, technology is becoming the silent manager for thousands of aspiring stars. So where does this lead? We may soon see an entirely new generation of influencers who rise to fame much faster than ever before, thanks to AI guidance. And with the demand for carefully crafted, aspirational lifestyles growing every day, audiences may not even notice or care that their favorite creators are being shaped by algorithms. The question we're left with is this: are AI agencies creating opportunities for more people to succeed, Or are they pushing the world toward a culture where everyone looks and acts like a manufactured copy of a celebrity? That's something we'll be watching closely in the years ahead. Thank you so much for watching this story. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you see this as a positive step for creators? Or does it take away the originality that makes influencers unique? Share your opinions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories like this.